Tell me why? I just shot this whole video, but ain't none of it got audio. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We gonna do it again. We gonna do it again. What's good? I got another video for you guys. You already know what it is. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to clean up any mistakes you might be making when you're doing your customs, okay? Because maybe it's your first custom. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So there's two ways you could actually fix a custom. You could actually just strip the paint from the shoe or whatever you're painting on. The second option is to actually just paint directly over that first custom. Okay, also hold up. I don't know about you guys, but I watch YouTube videos too, okay? Something I hate seeing people be doing is look like,
Oh, what's up guys? So today we're gonna be customizing a shoe.
what are they doing? You got mirrors? Go look in the mirror. Go check yourself out. You want to do that. It's supposed to be for the people, okay? Because I'm telling you, they be trying to have a whole photo shoot in the middle of their video. They be like, oh. I just had to let that out, okay? Okay? That's all I really got for you though. All right. Real quick, right there, all I'm doing is wiping off any excess acetone or rubbing alcohol that you're using to strip the paint, and I'm using a paper towel. You could use whatever you want. It could be a dirty sock for all I care. All right, keep it going. Hey, I'm gonna show you guys how to customize it. Sneakers.